What's up with you guys, bro? Another day, another W. This is the problem. Shuffle string. You're given a string s in an integer array indices of the same length. That string s will be shuffled such that the character at the ith position moves to indices of I in the shuffled string. Return the shuffled string. So I have n equal to indices dot size. I have our string ends. I'm gonna do int I get 0, I less than, and I plus plus. Then we're gonna do ans plus equals s of indices of I. Okay, then we're gonna return ans, and I think that's it. I think. No? Okay, so is of I DOE. Okay, so this one works. Oh, it's plus. I'm doing plus equals. That's why. Okay, so I'm gonna say s, and I'm gonna say so I is equal to s of indices of I. No, again, what? Hmm. Hold up, man. We're gonna put the fourth one at. Okay, let's see this. Okay. So it's called leets do. What's the issue? What's the issue? What's the issue? Let's see. That's like this. So we're gonna do I. Alright, I'm gonna do indices of I. Okay. Yeah, and then what we're gonna do, what are we gonna do? Just ask, I guess. Okay, so we got, okay, so that's 4, 7. Let's do 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 goes to 0 is, wait a sec, basically saying called leet. Two, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a L, then we get okay, what's wrong here, man? What's wrong? What's wrong? Let's see it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 2, 1, 3. So it has to be position 3. This one has to be position 1, yeah, and this is position 2, yeah. 0 position this, 7 position this. 6 is here, always there. 6 is there. Am I missing the code? So CDOE. COE. I don't see that. Don't know that error, bro. Don't know that error, man. So so 0 is hold up, hold up a second. So this is a 0 is 4. Okay, I'm gonna get a hint, man. String, yes, I did. This is a okay, I think it's okay, so I'm just gonna see for int I get 0, I less than n, I plus plus s plus equals a. Okay. Okay, I think that okay, still not reach CDOE. Still not working. Reach CDOE. Still not working, bro. Yeah, I have no idea, man. Okay, so we have 4. Let's go one by one. Okay, so index. Wait, hold the frick up, bro. The first comes to 4. This comes to 0, right? Or what? First come to 4, so it has to be. And this is a. Is that right or not? Okay, still wrong, bro. Code leaked. Okay, that's wrong. Wait, hold up, bro. Told me. So until index is alright, address alright. Do a nice one. Try to do it to S alright then. Yeah, no, it's not. Turning hands though. This is gonna mess up the string. Yeah. Fuck. Delete. Okay, man, I need a hint, bro. Guys, I don't have a lot of time right now. I gotta do this quick, so I don't have time to look into this. I'm gonna ask a hint. Position is to return position. Does it mean present some example? It should end up at index 2. We should end up at index 1. Index 0. So that is backwards. What? Side to this one? Sub I. Okay, still don't work, bro. Damn, bro. Yeah, I have no idea. Function, but I will do. Should return. Okay, just hold up. Build as, but what I return? What? Huh? Dude, I was just returning as, man. Yeah, it don't work. Oh, wait. T sub I equal S sub I. Okay, well. I mean, hey guys, nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect yet. Yeah, today wasn't my day. Uh, alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Love you. Another dinner W, man.